Can 500 grams of brown sugar replace 2 bags of fertilizer? I suggest liking and saving this video now so you can easily find it when needed. Brown sugar contains many nutrients like amino acids, proteins, and vitamins, which can provide various trace elements that crops need. This helps crops grow well, increase yields, and save money. Therefore, using brown sugar correctly is crucial for achieving significant yield improvements. Remember this recipe. Mix 50 grams of brown sugar with 50 grams of urea, then add 100 milliliters of vinegar diluted in 30 pounds of water for foliar spray. This is a perfect foliar fertilizer blend. Use it on vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes, and peppers, spraying the leaves approximately every 7 days. Not only does this prevent pests, but it also promotes lush leaf growth and increases yields, all without any pollution or residues. Have you learned it? Follow me for more daily agricultural tips.